The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 135. Jurisdiction and powers of the Federal Court, under existing law, to be exercisable by the Supreme Court. Until Parliament by law otherwise provides, the Supreme Court shall also have jurisdiction and powers, with respect to any matter, to which the provisions of Article 133, or Article 134 do not apply, if jurisdiction and powers in relation to that matter were exercisable by the Federal Court, immediately before the commencement of this Constitution, under any existing law.